Hello everyone, today's video I'm making this for the dehumidifier which is not collecting the water. This Nixie brand, and it is not collecting water, and what I have come to know, because I opened this up from the back side, and I can't hear, and more likely it has got some oil leakage in the down below. Malfunctioning of this, it is getting hotter doing the job, actually not collecting the water. So the main reason for making the video for this is compressors don't work. This is the main reason. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much for looking. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you very much.